In this video, we're going to be talking about how Excel can be used to do actual mathematical calculation for you. So supposing we have in our cell here, in cell A1, 1500 plus 12 plus 236. Now normally, to find the answer to this, I might have to pull out the calculator, or use the calculator on the computer, or use paper and pencil just to figure out what the sum of these three numbers would be. But Excel will allow us to do that very thing. By the way, by just typing in 1500 plus 12 plus 236 and hitting enter, that is what is called making a label, because it's treated just like regular text. We're going to actually do the calculation now, and the way we do that is by starting with an equal sign. That tells Excel it's going to do some math. We type in 1500 plus 12 plus 236, and we hit enter, and what that does is it shows us a value of 1,748. Now what that meant is that Excel took the three numbers, and that equal sign told Excel it was supposed to add them up. If you actually take a look at the cell itself, cell B1, you notice that I just clicked on cell B1, made that the active cell, and it shows the result, 1,748, but if we look up in the formula bar here, you can see what I actually typed. So it says equals 1,500 plus 12 plus 236. Excel can also use the proper order of operations. So your results might actually differ depending on how you typed in your calculation. So say, for example, we have 2 plus 15 times 10. All right? We'll do the actual calculation. We start with an equal sign. 2 plus 15 times 10. The normal order of operations should say that we multiply the 15 times 10 to get 150, and then add the 2, which comes out to 152. Now supposing we were to add parentheses to that, again we make our label. We're going to use our equal sign. We have equal parentheses 2 plus 15 times 10, and you notice that our result was different, and that's because the parentheses are done first. We add the 2 and the 15 to make 17, then multiply that by 10, and that ends up with a result of 170. Now when you print these out, Excel also allows you to show either the value or the calculation. When you're doing your practices, I want you to try to, or actually I expect you to print both versions out. The way to do this is by holding down the Control key on your keyboard, and right next to the number 1 in your keyboard, there's another key with two strange symbols on it. One looks like a squiggle, and the other one looks sort of like a backwards asterisk. You hold down your Control key, and then you press this other key next to the 1, and it changes the way Excel displays its data. So right now it'll show the calculation side, because you can see the equals. Press Control and then hit that key again, and it shows the actual value.